Hello viewers, we are here at this institution for us to have a podcasting shooting and we were going to feature their institution.
Come and enjoy the beauty of Alicia National High School. Let's go! Hi viewers, we're here in Alicia National High School. We're in the first Alicia Inter-School Debate Tournament is ongoing. With their team, ika-65 taong pagkakatatag, Alicia Tinatitinag. The guest speaker of the said activity is Mayor Ian Poldi, the municipality mayor.
Hello guys, and I'm here in this area where, as you can see here, there are 5 bulletin boards which compose of different activities. And as the teacher that I've asked a while back, she said that different activities and different announcements were posted here. That's all, bye!
Participatory trial demonstration. So, this is a continuation of the project of the Alicia National High School, which is our Republic Act 10068, the Organic Agricultural Act of 2010. Agriculture Act of 2010. So, this experiment used different subjects in planting variety of vegetables. So, zero use of synthetic fertilizer and pesticides. So, we are the only recipient of the project in the region 2. So, this project is project of the participants of season-long training on organic agriculture for teachers and parents. July 10 to October 10, 2014.
Hi, good afternoon guys. I'm here in the science area of Alicia National High School. Come, let's go. In this area, they have plants here for them to be planted. They have buko trees and mahogany trees there. Come, let's see their fruit-bearing trees and prototypes. In this section, they have fruit-bearing trees like guava and mango trees. In this section, they have medicinal plants like oregano and pichay. And they have garbage area there. So, bye guys!
Hello guys, welcome to English area. As you can see, there are pergolas here, which serves as the students of the viewing area. As you can see, there are some students here. And that's all guys.
I saw this signage, and this signage is all about segregating waste materials. It's composed of biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and harmful garbages. And it's harmful reusing or recycling. The non-biodegradable can be recycled, but harmful garbage will be sanitary landfill, and that biodegradable
Hello everyone. So, just like the other school, Alicia National High School has their vision, mission, and core values. Wherein, their vision is to dream of Filipinos who passionately love their country and whose values and competence enable them to realize their full potential and contribute meaningfully to building the nation. And their mission is to protect and promote the right of every Filipino equality,
Attorney Joel Amos P. Alejandro, Municipal Vice Mayor of Alicia Isabela.
Attorney Jonathan Vico Metre, para member of the Director General of Alicia 65th Founding
Attorney Raida M. Mangantulaw, Chairman.
Good afternoon, viewers. We are here at the establishment of technology demonstration as learning site of organic agriculture here in Alicia National High School. And as we can see, the municipal mayor of Alicia National, or the municipal mayor of the municipality of Alicia are visiting their project. So come here. Let's see how does mayor watching their project. So you can see here is Mayor Ian Foley and his companies. So as we can see,
Ito po ang
First, we are here again at the Alicia National High School, and I am with Sir Ian Poldi, the Municipal Mayor of Alicia. So, sir, as you visit Alicia National High School, what is your feeling, sir?
Today, my feeling is very happy na nagkakaisa yung mga eskwelahan natin for such things as the first Alicia National High School Debate competition. Plus, syempre, natutuwa ako na if you look around, there are two new classroom buildings na during our administration na napatayo natin. At syempre, talagang this is for you guys. Para ginagawa namin to, pinapaganda namin ang inyong mga eskwelahan para sa ganun mas gumaganda ang kinabukasan nyo dahil mas gumaganda ang pag-aaral nyo. So, yun yung feeling namin yun.
Okay, sir. So, thank you, sir, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Again, viewers, we are here in Alicia National High School in their establishment of technology demonstrations at learning site of organic agriculture. We are here with Kuya John. This is their soil that they are used in planting and this is their fertilizers. This is their seedling. I think it would be better if you will show the seedlings. Good. More seedlings here. Vegetable. And of vegetable. Ma'am, may we ask a question?
Tomato seedling. Sponge gourd. Sponge gourd. Wind bean. Wind bean.
And
Bitter gourd.
Squash. And the squash.
Sponge gourd.
And the sponge gourd. And the eggplant. And the
Pepper and
yung puti ano?
radish.
Maayos.
Project of horticulture students. Students major in horticulture. The natural farming input. Because this part of the program, as part of the organic agriculture, we should not use synthetic fertilizer.
Ma'am, may we ask a question? Last question. How does the student help in this project?
Students, actually, in their practicum, we utilize these students to do the horticultural activities such as weeding, preparation of substrate for the vermiculture, seedling production, preparation of farming inputs, mulching also, of course. In order, we do the mulching in order to prevent the growth of weeds, to retain the moisture content of the soil. Moisture content. We also practice receptacle gardening, like this. We practice this kind of garden.
Oregano.
And also, how about here, anak? Ito kaya?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
In there.
Garden.
Garden and herbal also.
Receptacle gardening or container gardening in other words. The vermicomposting, siguro ikwan na rin yun, yung vermicomposting. Kasi nga hindi na pwedeng gumamit ngayon ng synthetic. Kaya instead of using synthetic, we should use the composting method. So I will show you the janitors. We call this vermiworm or janitors. Oh, this one. These are the janitors of this is our instead of using synthetic, we use natural compost like this compost produced by vermi. Kinakain ito, sila yung nagde-decompose, kaya tinatawag namin janitor. Sila yung nagde-decompose, tumutulong na ano ba yung agrosa? Decompose mo para maganda ang tubo ng Then, igigiling namin sa shredder machine, dumadaan sa shredder machine, then yun ay nilalagay namin sa mga composting namin, vermicompost. Kasi yun, mas madali nilang i-digest, i-decompose kapag pino ang pagkahiwa-hiwa, pagkahati-hati. Plant refuse, kitchen refuse, pero hinahaluan din namin po ng kain ng kalabaw, kain ng hamon, ng aming compost out of vermi. Yung hinarvest naming compost po, yun ang nilagay namin sa taniman.
Kailan pa nag-start ka, ma'am?
Yan po. July 2013 po. Kaya lang, inharvest na namin, panibago na naman po ito. Ay, dito lang sa amin.
There you have it.
We also practice or use bait instead of using pesticides in controlling the insects. Yes. We use this trap. These are male insects, and according to the producer, amoy po ito ng babae, yung medicine po sa loob, amoy ng babae. Then lalapit yung mga insekto dito kasi naaamoy nila yung amoy ng babae. Then papasok sila dyan, matatrap na sila dyan. Ganyan po yung mga pampatay namin ng peste. We are not using pesticides here. We only practice natural fertilizers and natural pesticides. Natural, out of natural matter.
So this is your vegetable garden.
Ano pala yung natural pesticide na sinabi?